Alright everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. So today we're back at Jason's place. We're working on the SEC, and today it's all about hitting this car with the pressure washer and seeing how much of this disgusting 10 years of storage funk we can get off of this thing. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned. Alright, so that is going to be, alright, so this is going to be kind of a new part of the Carvellas series, where we talk, or we're going to work with Jason and kind of document his build as he goes along. It's going to be a slow process. The car needs a lot of things along the way, and if you see any parts that you have just laying around the garage that or in the junkyard that would help out Jason on this build, go ahead and shoot in the comments below and we'll get in touch with you and see about getting some of those parts for this car. Alright, so the SEC is now all cleaned up and looks at least 10 times better, maybe 1,000.
Oh, at least 1,000 times more what I paid for it.
1,000 times better than oh yeah, because he traded a case of Mexican Coke for this car.
Right.
Can you just think about that?
$30.
Who got the better deal? We're not sure yet.
He was really stoked about the Mexican Coke, though.
I like Mexican Coke too. So the car's cleaned up. It looks way better. We still need to get a bunch of parts for this car to see if the engine runs. That's going to be the first stage, is making sure the engine and transmission work in this car before we get too deep into it. But that is it for today. We've got the car clean, and at least it looks better for his neighbors.
Yes.
Who are judging him as we speak.
Yes.
Highly judging.
Highly judging.
So that's it for today. Until next time, get out there and work on something.
I'm going.